Today I want to show you how to set up your notebook through OneNote, through Canvas. So if we're at the home page for the course, over here on the left, I want you to click on this link that says Class Notebook. When you click on that, it asks you to sign in to your Office 365 account. So I'm going to click Sign into OneNote. Here you will type in when it asks you for an email or phone, this is going to be your lunch number at hcps.net. So you type that in, you hit next. It'll take you to the Hillsborough County sign-in sheet. It'll ask you for your password. In this case here, it auto-remembers my password, so it's not going to ask me for it. I'm going to go ahead and say sure. It can keep me signed in, and it'll say checking notebook permissions, and it'll sit there for a second, and your notebook is ready. And you click Open in OneNote Online. Yours will look slightly different from mine in that you won't have the list of everybody over here. I have that list because I'm the teacher, but I'm going to click over here where it says Lee Farrell, and this is my notebook. You can see I have a couple different sections here set up, and none of them have anything in them because I haven't pushed anything out to these notebooks yet. When you're done, you can just close the tab, and now every time you come back to Class Notebook, it should be able to tell you that your notebook is there and open in OneNote Online. And that'll always be there for you. So hopefully that helps you out a bit.